So over here inside of CapCut, let me just go around and bring in some shapes right here. And let's just go around and change around the color of these shapes as well. So I'm going to go around and change this out into orange, this one into green, and this one into red. And now you can see that the placement of these objects right here are on a certain location. So the green one is on the top, as you can see, while the red one is at the bottom right here. So what I can do is I can right click and go to layer arrangement. And if I were to click on send to back, then what happens is that this goes to the backmost area, as you can see. Similarly, if I want to bring this to the frontmost area, then I need to right click on this, then go to layer arrangement and click on bring to front right here. But if I were to go around and right click and click on bring forward, then it actually comes only one step forward, as you can see. Similarly, if I were to go around and click on send backward, then it only goes one step backward. And this is how you can go around and place out different objects in objects one after another on top of one another in a certain order inside of CapCut image editor. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.